Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Bazadex. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically another one of those crypto scams. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. And as you can see right here, this is what it looks like on their website. So Bitcoin, they have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and a lot more. So there are actually a lot of different websites that look like this. They just changed the name. So for example, this would be named to another brand. However, the layout is identical to this one, and we actually have it here opened up on malware tips and see that they're exposed. So as you can see, we go over the scam overview. They have fake celebrity endorsements, inflated user statistics, and no verification requirements, and withdrawals conditioned on deposits. So as you can see, they give you phony games, attract users with promo offers, let users play games risk-free, slowly reveal withdrawal restrictions, and require additional deposits to verify accounts. So please guys, this is obviously a scam, and please do not enter in any information or any card information from your card or your bank, since they will get compromised. And that is basically it guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.